Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you a prefab home company that is reimagining how we build and buy homes. I've been around the manufactured and modular home industry for a very long time, and I can confirm I've never seen anything quite like these before. This year has been a complete cluster of new challenges for the entire housing industry. We've all seen the issues facing housing and the problems they're causing, but I'm not going to get into that again right now because we've got bigger fish to fry. I found a company who, even in today's wild housing market, claims to be able to build with no delays, no headaches, and no sticker shock. Key points being no delays and no sticker shock, because let's be honest, we've been seeing a lot of both lately. The company I'm talking about is building high-end, low-cost modern prefabbed homes and go by the name of Connect Homes. Everything they're offering almost sounds too good to be true, so let's take a closer look at what they're up to. What I'm going to do is tell you who they are, show you what they offer, and of course we're going to look at prices of these very cool homes, so let's do it. Connect Homes are based out of Los Angeles, California, and are self-proclaimed creators of homes that make you feel lighter, brighter, and more connected. I like the sounds of that. The company was founded by Jared Levy and Gordon Stott, who have been in the prefab game since 2004, but the founders realized something was missing: affordability. Affordability was missing back in 2004. Imagine if 2004 Jared and Gord were told what the prices were going to be in 2021. They probably wouldn't believe it. Connect Homes states, while the prefab industry resolves some inefficiencies encountered by traditional home building and remodeling, it didn't deliver on its potential, offering modern, sustainable design at an affordable price point. The duo was convinced there was a better way. That's when they took a step back and spent 2 years developing and patenting a modular prefab system that dramatically reduced construction and delivery costs. They also focused on simplifying the process by prioritizing transparent pricing and taking project management stress off the homeowner. Transparent pricing is something I'm seeing more of lately, and I am a fan of it. It's 2021. People want to do a lot of their research at home before actually spending any time or energy going out looking at homes. If people can see prices while they're in the research phase of their buying process, while they're sitting at home at their computer in their underwear, they'll know which homes are in their budget and not waste time in person, fully dressed, on homes that aren't even going to be an option. Connect Homes has a team of 111 people, including 17 designers, dedicated to making living more accessible by reimagining the entire process of how people design, build, and buy homes. They offer 15 different models to fit different lots, lifestyles, and budgets. Here are my 3 favorites. Their website states that the entire process will take 8 to 20 months, I'm guessing depending on the size and complexity of the home. Their smallest offering is the Connect One at 460 square feet. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom home with an open floor plan and floor-to-ceiling windows. The description says, "Welcome to the simplest and least expensive way to add livable square footage to your property with the addition of a modern accessory dwelling unit. Use the space for future home for retired parents, a private guest house for friends and family, or a rental property to earn income." The footprint is 40 feet long by 11.5 feet wide, with the living room on one end, kitchen bathroom in the middle, and the bedroom on the other. I really like this floor plan and have been in something similar from a builder close to where I live, so I can confirm that it works extremely well. By putting the kitchen and bathroom in the middle and having a walk-through galley kitchen to access the bedroom, it maximizes the space in the living room, which is critically important in a house this size. What I like best about the Connect One is the size. I think compact homes and accessory dwelling units are going to become more popular if home prices keep rising. It has everything you need for 1 or 2 people to live comfortably, just in a small footprint. With their transparent pricing, costs are broken down as follows. Design, $10,000, production, $160,800, installation, $18,500, and sales tax, $5,800, for a total of $195,100. They also have an estimated cost for basic site work, which comes in at $19,000, bringing the grand total to $214,100. Now let's go bigger. Out of the 15 models, the Connect 5 is by far my favorite. If you haven't caught on, the way they name their models is by taking the number of units required to build the home and putting it after the word connect. Pretty straightforward. I like that. The Connect 5 comes in 5 pieces for a total floor space of 1,600 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom modern home on one level with an open concept and those floor-to-ceiling windows that give these homes that modern Connect look. From the description, glassy open concept living creates a space ideal for living and socializing. With the kitchen at the heart of the home, you'll have sightlines to monitor busy or sleeping infants while cooking dinner or doing dishes. A spacious master bedroom with double closets and an ensuite bathroom sits adjacent to 2 additional bedrooms. Use one as a nursery and the other as a guest bedroom. Or use the 2nd and 3rd bedroom for your dog and cat, whatever floats your boat. This home actually reminds me of the HO4 from Honomobo. It's very similar in look and layout. The Connect 5 has a footprint of 40 feet by 40 feet, which doesn't have any resemblance to the rectangular shape of a traditional single or double wide, which some people don't like. It's a perfect square. The price tag on the Connect 5 is $485,000 with an estimated basic site work of $64,000 for a grand total of $549,000. Like I said, the Connect 5 is my personal favorite of all the models, but I wouldn't be doing this company justice if I didn't show you one of their stacking models. For the last home in today's video, we're jumping up a few models to the 2-story Connect 8. The Connect 8 is a whopping 2,560 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and my favorite part of all, a 2-story 20-foot ceiling in the living room. This place is over the top cool. 8 units combined to make almost 2,600 square feet. That's insane. To me, it looks like a trophy property with a West Coast modern vibe that would fit almost any surroundings: city, country, mountain, lake, you name it. The description says, "Welcome to the quintessential family home designed for easy indoor-outdoor living and entertaining. This glassy 2-story footprint features an expansive 20-foot ceiling living room and comes equipped with a full-featured kitchen that opens up to a back deck. Perfect for family dinners or large dinner parties alike." The floor plan is broken down into living space and bedrooms. The main floor has the kitchen, dining room, living room, some storage, and a half bath. Then upstairs is the 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a laundry room, and the open mezzanine down to the living room below. Very cool layout, but dig deep in your wallets because this puppy is pricey. The Connect 8 is $763,600 with an estimated site prep cost of $102,500 for a grand total of $866,100. For what you're getting, I actually thought this home was going to be more. Pleasant surprise. I don't know how I didn't hear about Connect Homes until just this week. From what I've seen so far, I really like what they're up to and would put them near the top of the list if you're in the market for a home in what I call the affordable luxury segment of prefab homes. I'm going to keep an eye on Connect Homes and update anything exciting they get up to this year down in San Bernardino. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.